When I'm designing a kitchen, I always try to think about what elements I really want to stand out. In this client's kitchen, I started with just a very clean base. That's what they wanted. So we did white cabinets throughout, very simple, stunning backsplash behind me. But with all the white that we had layered in with the backsplash, the cabinets, and the countertop, there really needed to be that extra element of color. You know, one of the things you have to think about with a kitchen, when you're wanting to incorporate color, there's really not a ton of wall space you have to work with, which is why we wanted to do it on the island and the vent hood. If you don't want to do a paint color, you can also tie in reclaimed wood. The great thing about the island and the vent hood are these are their own units, so they can have their own character, let it all tie in, but then these two pieces can really be unique and different. Now when you step back and look at the space, it's very simple, it's very stunning, but it also has that contrast in color, which really adds a little more dimension to this space and makes it more interesting when you see it. When designing the Ridley home, I wanted to make sure it felt like a guy's place without it being too dark and heavy. So here in the master bedroom, I just really love how simple and clean it is in here. This room is just a really good blend of texture, wood, and metal elements. But I also just love that the trim is darker than the wall, so it really kind of does a play on color. It has that masculine feel in here, but it's not too heavy, where it still feels pretty light and airy. You know, this headboard was really simple to make. We basically had our welder who did these really cool sliding doors make this headboard so it tied in. We've got 2 of these doors that lead into the walk-in closet and the master bathroom. You know, I just really love the texture and the blend that this brings to the rest of this room. I feel like it gives it that masculine touch. And here in the master bathroom, you'll see that carried in here as well. I love these concrete countertops. We did this double vanity. Even though the space is limited, we still did these really cool wall mount faucets. But one of my favorite things in here is this wall mounted shelf with the wood. So it really, again, it brings that balance to this darker tile, these harsher elements. I think the wood really tones all that down. It also gives really good practical storage for my client. This project was a really fun one for me. I really feel like this is the ultimate bachelor pad. There's a really good blend of simple elements mixed with modern and that ranch style that I know he really liked. We had a lot of fun with this one.